In today's video, I'll teach you how to activate Intesa Sanpaolo card. So if you want to activate this card, it is actually very simple. In order to do that, there are basically three methods. The first method is to simply visit the physical branch. Simply visit any Intesa Sanpaolo branch to activate your card with the assistance. After you do that, your card will be activated. Likewise, you can also use the Intesa Sanpaolo mobile app. Simply open the application. After you do that, navigate to the card section. Now select your new card. Follow through the prompts in order to activate it. It usually requires entering the CVV. After you do that, the card will be activated. Likewise, you'll also be able to activate it from the ATM. For that, insert your card into a Intesa Sanpaolo ATM. After you do that, enter the PIN received separately. Now perform a transaction such as a balance check. After you do that, your card will be automatically activated. So these are basically the methods to activate the Intesa Sanpaolo card. So that is how you activate Intesa Sanpaolo card. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.